cubes. Today we'll be solving the scrambled 2x2 over here. So now you, you try to make the white face. Oh, and make the white face and keep these colors aligned. Here. Oh, we got lucky. So I already got two pieces over here, but let's only focus on the white, red, and blue piece. So so after then you turn to after then find the white, red, and green piece over here. There you, and you turn the piece until it's like this. You turn the piece until it's like this, but by doing R prime R. See now it's twisted there, and you can do the opposite to put it like this. So do it like this. And if you don't, if you don't find it on the top layers, try to look in the bottom layers. Probably there. And to get it out, you do L prime or R prime. But 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 since we found a piece like this, we can just do R prime. Now we rotate. So, so, so you have to make it like red, red, blue, blue, orange, orange, which that's not the case in green, green, and also make the white face. So 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 now you are trying to get the piece out. If you then try to make the piece like this, gr- green, 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 green. Oh, the white colors facing to the right, and orange on top. So after that, you can do R prime to finish this. So now, so now the yellow face. So you look at the yellow face. His, it feels like a line right here, right here, right here, or right here. Here, here, just rotate the camera to make a line go on the right side and standing upright. Instead of upright. But when there's only one corner, over here. But when there's only one corner over here, you put that corner on the left bottom side. So if it's in the corner, you have to place it here. You have to place it right here, and 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 if it's like so, so when you get this corner over here, you rotate the cube, rotate the cube, and if this yellow side is facing towards you, you just do U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U2, L, L, L prime. You just do that after then the whole face after then the whole face after then the whole face would be solved, but since I have two since I have the standing right here, right side after this standing upwards. Now just keep now just put it on the right stuff, make it standing, and in this position, if you see this yellow face is facing towards you, you you do you do you are you r prime u prime r prime f r f prime. After then you get the yellow side done. But but eh, but if you do but if you have the two yellows here and this is not facing towards you and facing to the side side I do you have to move the 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 yellow the yellow line on top and laying down. So now these two are facing towards you, and here's what you're supposed to do if if, if a bar here and two headlights facing you. Yeah, and a full bar on the top, two headlights facing to that side. You do you do R2 U prime R prime U prime R2. So so you do this. So you do this. R prime. And then this will cover the whole face. So now the full face is done, and so just turn the cube. So just turn the cube. If it looks like this, uh, two corners need to be swapped up like this and this. You need to do something called a wipe-on, which have a sequence of these moves. Sequence of these moves after then it will be solved. So if you get this position, you move the fall the solve the solve to be on the left after then these sequence of moves after then you 2x2 will be solved. Bye guys. Peace out.